Hi friends, welcome to Tech Study and T-SQL series. In this session, we are going to discuss about T-SQL joins in SQL Server. In T-SQL, joins are used to retrieve data from multiple tables based on a related column between them. Here are the common types of joins in T-SQL with example. Inner join. Inner join returns only the rows from both the tables that meet the join condition. In both the tables, it will fetch the data only matching rows from the both the tables. So example, suppose we have two tables, employees and departments. Okay, we want to retrieve the names from employees along with their department names. If you will see here, we have joined with the two tables in this query: employees first name, employees last name, departments department name. From employees, we have joined with inner join departments on employees the department id and departments the department id is the um, either primary keys or key columns for those tables. Hence we have joined with those key columns. We are trying to fetch the data employee names with departments. Okay, we will see those examples with live examples in next session. A left join or a left outer join. Left join returns all rows from left table along with matching rows from the right table departments. If there are no matching rows in the right table, null values are written for those columns of the right table. Okay. In this example, suppose we want to retrieve all employees along with their department names. If an employee does not belong to any department, we still want to include that employee in the results. Okay, joining between the employees and departments table only. Select employee first name, employee last name, department name, and employees. Same query we are going to use with left join. Okay. In right join, so right join written all rows from the table departments along with matching rows from the left table employees. If there are no matching rows in the left table, null values are written from columns from the left table. It's a vice versa of right left join. Suppose we want to retrieve all departments along with the names their employees. If the department has no employees, we still want to include the department in the result. We will see the examples data in next sessions. Okay. Um, Full join or full outer join. The full join returns all rows from both the tables with matching rows from both sides wherever available. If there is no match, null values are written for the columns of the table that lacks a match. Okay, full join is nothing but it will return all the rows. Suppose we want to retrieve all employees and all departments along with their relationships. We want to include all employees and departments even if there are no matches. Okay, we will see the examples in next session for this also. So cross join. Cross join is a Cartesian product. It will multiply the rows, whatever. The Cartesian join returns the cross join returns Cartesian product of two tables. That is, returns all possible combinations of rows from both the tables. It does not require a join condition. Okay. Sometimes in rare cases only we will use cross join. Most of the cases we will use left join in real time scenarios. Okay. So suppose we want to retrieve all possible combinations of employees and departments. There are basic types of joins in T-SQL serving different purpose depending on the desired result and set relationship between the tables. Okay. If you will see this diagram, we have a lot of examples here. No join, exclusive right join. If you will see the syntax here, we have added the null condition. B dot key is null. It's filtering the data. That's the reason it's a exclusive right join. It's the same for full join. For full join, we need to filter the null values for both the tables. And left join exclusive, we are filtering the uh, values in B column, B table. Okay. So right join is nothing but same. It's the same syntax. Both the tables matching rows we will get. So left join, this is one inclusive right join. And right join is the same syntax for select star from table A, right join table B on A dot key column and B dot key column. Okay. Full join is also same. It's that data will retrieve all the rows from both the tables. Left join select star from A, left join B table on A dot key equals to B dot key. These are the syntaxes for T-SQL joins. So this is about joins. So we will see next session um, each join with examples and to get better clarity, to better idea. Thank you so much. If you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.